What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video, man. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, all my good people, man, that's tuned in. Man, it's your boy Jay Spikes, man. Y'all already know what go down over here, man. It's the front yard gang. We gets it in over here, baby. Wheel turning action constantly. It be more wheel turning action going on than I can record and upload on YouTube. I ain't lying to y'all, man. So I'm telling y'all, man, with that being said, in general, man, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Click that bell, man, so you'll never miss a drop, man. If you got any question, comments, or opinion, leave it in the comment box below, man. Share it with your friends, your family, and everybody you know, man. Tell them that boy be going hard in the front yard. Your favorite yard, boy. Hey, man, we in a big dually truck today, man. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, I just got the dually, man. Y'all seen the video before this one, man. We just got the dually. We sold haircat. We did some little swipping and swapping. Hey, but it's going down, and we're going to turn this thing into something just like all the rest of them, baby. We ain't stopping. It's always some motion going on. Don't y'all want to see some new content? It's time for some new content. But for all my OG OBS lovers that started my channel, because everybody know that OBS started the channel, hey, y'all, I ain't going to let you down. Watch this heat. All right, y'all, we got the dually out, man. We done had the dually about 3-4 days, man, and I done did a bunch of stuff to it. I took all the chrome out from around the wheel wells. I took them chrome bars off the back of it. Cleaned it. Man, I done cleaned it. Shined the wheels up. Got the tires looking good. We got them dog meats on that junk. Yes, sir. I like it. The more and more I look at it, the more and more I wipe on the truck, man, it's looking like a better and better truck. We got to get them stickers off the back. Got to get some razors and get all them stickers off the back. It got hot one day somewhere sitting up, you know. But yeah, she cleaned up pretty nice. She looked pretty good. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do everything on this thing, man. We're gonna change them lights, everything, man. Got a new dashboard coming. We got some stuff we're gonna do to it, man. Cab lights, blinker mirrors. We're going hard. We're gonna change all them cab lights, windshield wipers. We gotta get them flex blades. Y'all, man, put them flex blades on your car. Put them flex blades on the car. Yes, sir. She look pretty good, man. I need some comments, man. I need some opinions, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new remix of Haircast, man. We kept a little bit of Haircast for sure. Hey, I could not let that grill go. I had to get that grill, man. I sold the truck, but I had to keep the grill, man. I got the grill. We're gonna change all the lights. We're gonna put that smoothie bumper on, lower valance. Yes, sir, it's gonna go down. But yeah, man, if y'all really wanna see me, the first video, you know, y'all have to go back to the last video and check out the truck when I got it. Give y'all a quick little rundown. It got a 454 in it, you know what I'm saying? 3500. Ooh, pull your house down, baby. You know what I'm talking about? 4-wheel burnout in the back. Yes, Lord. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do today, man. This dashboard all cracked up, but listen, I just text a guy. He got some trucks sitting up in his yard. I'm gonna try to go get one. If not, get one from the junkyard, because I can't stand that. That's ugly. Ooh, that's so ugly. And I got to order the dash kit for the in-dash kit. It's like $80-something on Amazon for the double den. But just today, man, I just cannot stand it no more. I gotta do something to the truck. So I got an old double den DS18 from one of my partners. He upgraded, and so this is a brand new radio he had, and I got it from him a while ago, just a few hours ago. And we're gonna try to hook this thing up in here. I ain't got no wire harness or nothing, but I'm gonna try to get it hooked up like it's supposed to be. Hey, man, watch this heat. I'm trying to tell you, man. And I've been having these Kappa component sets for like 4 years, man. I had these for Haircast when I first bought Haircast, man. And these supposed to be, I don't even know if you can buy these anymore, but you might can or not, I don't know. But these the component sets. You got the 6.5s. You got the 6.5, 225 watts. You know what I'm saying? That's what they look like. That's what the grills look like. I done been in the boxes. I don't really know what's in the boxes. One speaker missing. I got the speaker in the other speaker in the house. But these are the grills for them. They real nice, man. They real good quality looking speakers. You know what I'm saying? It's a real good quality speaker. You know, the Infinity Kappas. And yeah, we're gonna put these in the front doors. We're gonna put them in the front doors, and I think that's gonna be groovy, baby. You know, and of course we got the 6x9s with the tweeter, and they got the little crossover box or whatever. You know what I'm saying? The selectable crossover box. 2 6x9 components. You know, it'll tell you right there with the the gap selectable crossover box. You know what I'm saying? It's a 405 watt little kit, and they pretty nice too, man. These are some quality speakers right here though. A lot of the OG boys know about these Infinities. A lot of youngsters might not know about these Infinities, man, but these some old school bad boys right here. That's them grills, man. Got that rose gold on them. You feel me? But yeah, my camera about to go dead, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get some of this stuff installed. Them 6.5 look good, and yeah, I'll bring y'all back. Y'all watch this heat, baby. It's finna go down. We're gonna put them tweeters in the front doors, and we're gonna cut these back doors with this right here, and we're gonna put the 6x9s back there. Yes, Lord. Watch this heat. Yes, Lord. We're gonna change those back there too. Watch this heat, y'all. I ain't gonna play no games. I'm gonna get to work. I ain't even gonna bore y'all to death. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. Man, we back on the dually again. No games, no gimmicks. The wind blowing today, but I do got my wind muff on my camera, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, the audio pretty decent. But yeah, we're gonna pick up where we left off at, man. I did get the music mostly installed, right? I got the radio in. I ain't got the dash key yet because I just got the truck. I ain't had the truck a week, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta order the dash that fits the double din dash. I'm gonna order the dash cap to put on this since it's all broke up. They got the dash cap for that. I'm gonna order that in the same navy blue, you know what I'm saying, as well as the dash pad. I mean the front pad. Yeah, I got all the Kappas put in, y'all. I think you can see it if I get close. There they go. See them in there? I got the Kappa 6.5, and I got the tweeters in there. You can kind of see that rose gold up in there. I got those in there, the 6.5s, the tweeters in both doors. You can kind of see that one. Yeah, you can see that. You can see that 6.5. So I got the Infinity Kappas in the front doors, 6.5, and the tweeters, and I got the back door in on the other side. Let me go show y'all real quick. And I think I came up with a name for the big dually, man. Me and my family was talking about it, and we was sitting in the truck listening to the music the other day after I was getting hooked up, and everybody said, man, that song came on with Big X the Plug, man. And I said, oh, we ought to name the truck Big X. Big X and Ice Spice, you know what I'm saying? Cause Big X, I mean the truck big, man. It gotta be something big. It gotta be something extraordinary. It gotta be something strong, you feel me? You dig? You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's one candidate. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments box below about that name for the new truck, man. The new build on the channel, man. Big X, man. That big dually truck, man. You know what I'm talking about? OBS game. Yes, sir. I think that kind of fit, man. I'm gonna have to find something that comes stronger than that for me to change my mind, man. But right now, I'm thinking Big X #1, you feel me? Big X, what's up, baby? I don't think nobody got no car named Big X on YouTube. If they do, y'all let me know and we'll change it. But I ain't seen no dually OBS named Big X, you feel me? Or no OBS period named Big X. So yeah, we're gonna ride with that for a minute in our minds. But yeah, let me get over here and show y'all real quick. Oh, I did get the stickers off the back of the window. I just did that too with a little alcohol and a razor. So I got them stickers off the back and the tailgate. And I started on this stuff here that was dripping down. I got the other side. But yeah, I got the 6x9 cut in here. See what I'm saying? I got the 6x9 cut in here right here, and I'm trying to fit the factory grill back over it, and it fits pretty good. I just got to do a little tweaking to it to make it kind of, you know, lock up right. So see, I had it on there good the first time. Yeah, so it's just about, I say, 1/4 of an inch off from being where it's supposed to be. I gotta do a little tweaking to it, but it's gonna look stock and it's gonna look good, man. You feel me? Y'all see the vision, man. Y'all see the vision, man. All my OGs, y'all know what I'm gonna do to this truck. Big clean ass truck. Boy, watch this heat. I had to take all these down to run my speaker wires over here. I ran my speaker wires over here down. You can see right there, down around through there, through the door like it's supposed to be, inside the door in the back of the 6x9. When I put all this crap back in, you ain't gonna see no wires. It's just gonna look stock and it's gonna look nice and it's gonna sound nice. I wish I could have ran the grills, because these grills were super nice, but I'd rather my truck look as stock as possible. You know what I'm saying? Because the truck is pretty clean on the inside, and I want to kind of leave it like that, man. You feel me? I got the new carpet. I done found it on eBay. all that, man. I've been working on it, boy. I ain't lying. But yeah, I got to get the rest of that sticky stuff off of there. I got all that stuff off of there. You see what them signs was? I took those off earlier. We're gonna keep that Chevy Silverado badge for now. I don't know if I want to keep that or put that sticker across the tailgate after I spray it. But yeah, it's going down. But yeah, man, you see this one here? This one here is not cut. So I'm gonna get my jigsaw and stuff and I'm gonna cut it. And we're gonna install that thing and we'll be done. Gotta run that wire over here to this side. I'm gonna do it right. I ain't gonna run wires way over there. None of that crazy silly stuff. I'm gonna run it over here and straight to the door properly. Watch this heat. We ain't playing no game with this dealer truck. Watch this heat. All right, y'all, we'll go down. It's the next morning, man. It's been about 2-3 days. Man, I had to start the camera back, man. We got the dealer truck all finished up, man. It's early in the morning, man. We got this thing finished up. Got all the music installed in it, the radio, the 6x9, the tweeters, everything. The last clip I left off of, I was doing the passenger door. I'm gonna just give y'all a last look. And it's early in the morning, so Ice Spice was dead. Well, she wasn't dead, but she was low and wouldn't crank because battery was low. I ain't cranking in a couple days, and I ain't had it on the charge either because I've been working. So we're gonna crank that this morning, get a cold start on that, and we're gonna get a cold start on Big X. You know what I mean? I think we're gonna go on name that thing Big X, man. I ain't came up with nothing else no better than that, and I ain't got forever to be thinking about it. So, but yeah, let me give y'all a look real quick. See, I ain't finished putting that speaker all the way. I gotta cut that door a little bit on the inside, but they give you a little look at it. You know what I'm saying? And I got that one already ready, but everything hooked up, everything ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We got them Kappas in there, them Infinity Kappas, you can see them. We got the tweeters in there. We got the tweeters in the doors, and she's shining real nice. Now let me get the keys out of Ice Spice. For all my new people, man, this our 85 box Chevy Impala project, AKA Ice Spice. That's her name, baby. We got that stupid music in the trunk, that stupid knock, big knock in the trunk. Oh yeah. 2 CB615s in that big casket, double baffle, double wall box, tuned, ported. We got them monsters back there. You know what I'm saying? We got that big advanced electric battery, all welding cable with the big lugs on it everywhere. Trunk all broke up. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't talking about Ice Spice today. We ain't talking about Ice Spice today. You want to learn more about Ice Spice? Tune into the channel. Go look at some of the old videos on Ice Spice, man. We've been building this car almost 2 years now. It might be 2 years. Big digi dash, you know. Them Sandman pedals. Like I said, I am your favorite yard boy on YouTube, baby. Yes, sir. Big panoramic roof, you know what I'm saying? 550-piece Starlight kit. Stupid music once again up in here. Billet everything. Custom console, custom back deck. You know, we got it stamped. It ain't no joke around here. It's all real, though. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna talk about her today. Today ain't her day. Let's get these keys. Let's crank Big X because it's feeling like it's gonna rain. Let's get a cold start on Big X. A real cold start before we end this video out. Oh, I did get the water pump put on, guys. I did get the water pump put on. Let's see how that radio look when it come on. Boy can't even turn it with that hand. Oh, she ain't take that long to crank today. Cold start, baby. Okay. Yes, sir. You see the vibes. You see the vibes, baby. Yes, of course, we got to get the dash kit. I already said in another video, I already know that we're going to do it right, man. We're going to do this thing right. We're going to fix this dash. I'm going to buy a new dash. We're going to put a new dash on this thing. New carpet. We're going to put that 550 piece. No, we're going to put 1,000. I'm going to keep saying 550. Everybody always get 5 or 4. But I'm putting 1,000 stars in this thing with the big SRX panoramic roof. And I ain't going to lie, guys. Oh, yeah, I got a I got a rear view camera, man. Y'all think I ought to put that rear view camera on the truck, man? I got a brand new rear view camera, man. I ain't never liked these cameras, man, but I might need to use it though, you feel me? I don't know, man. But yeah. She running a lot better, man, since I've been working on it. She running a lot better. I did change the water pump. I went ahead and got that water pump off of there. I couldn't take it no more, y'all. I couldn't take it no more. I got that big dully cleaned up. She dirty because it's been sitting under the tree. You can see all that stuff. Let me back up off of it. Let me back up off of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. See that new water pump? You see that new water pump? Oh yeah, she running good now. She running good now. She running good now. Yeah, man, we're gonna change all them cab lights, everything on this thing, man. This our new tow rig for Ice Spice and everybody else that we be getting, man. Coming across here, man, all the projects we be working on, all the people cars we be working on. We needed Big X for that, man. We needed a big truck. That way we ain't gotta keep calling on nobody to haul these cars. Cause I got my trailer over there. You feel me? I just need to get some ramps. I'm gonna paint the trailer and everything. But yeah, man, it's going down. It's going down. Yes, sir. She gonna be all right in a minute. When I get it all painted up, wheeled up, roofed up, LED'd up, wet sand and buffed up, no dents in it, redo the bed liner. Yes, sir. 5% tint. Yes, sir. She gonna be nasty. Y'all watch this heat, man. It's your boy J Spice. I'm gonna try to keep y'all with some good content. Try to keep y'all entertained in this car world, man, this car culture, man. I appreciate and I love everybody. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, so you'll never miss a drop. I always got some heat coming, baby. Y'all make sure y'all tune in. Like the video, man. If you like the video, man, if you like anything that you watch so far, man, just like the video, man. It just help YouTube know that you like the video and the content that you watching, baby. And help keep producing and promoting more of my stuff in the algorithm, baby. You know what I'm saying? You got any question, comments, or opinion? Hey, about any of this stuff you done seen on these videos, man, just leave it in the comment box below, because I talk back. I can't talk back to everybody, but I talk back. I ain't that bougie, nigga.